Welcome to the Opulent Traveler channel, the home of the opulent lifestyle. Today we journey to one of the greatest cities on earth, London. Join me as we explore the beating heart of this metropolis, from its grand palaces to its tranquil parks. If you find yourself drawn to the allure of opulent travel and the discovery of hidden gems around the world, consider subscribing to our channel and embarking on future adventures with us. Our journey begins in the hallowed halls of the British Museum, a treasure house of human history and creativity. Imagine holding a piece of ancient Egypt in your hands, a sarcophagus perhaps, adorned with hieroglyphics that whisper tales of pharaohs and forgotten gods, Roman sculptures frozen in time, intricate tapestries from the Far East, and ancient artifacts that transport you across millennia. The Rosetta Stone, a key to unlocking the mysteries of Egyptian hieroglyphs, rests here, a testament to human ingenuity. The sheer scale of the museum can be overwhelming, a microcosm of the world itself. From the smallest clay tablet to the largest stone statue, each piece whispers a tale of human endeavor, of empires risen and fallen. The British Museum is more than a museum. It is a testament to the human spirit's endless quest for knowledge. We stand now at the Tower of London, a fortress that has borne witness to the ebb and flow of power for over 1,000 years. These ancient stones whisper of intrigue, imprisonment, and royal history. Anne Boleyn, once the most powerful woman in England, met her tragic fate within these very walls. Yet, amidst the somber echoes of the past, a glimmering spectacle awaits: the crown jewels. Imagine the dazzling brilliance of the imperial state crown, adorned with thousands of precious gems, a symbol of the enduring power of the monarchy. The Tower of London serves as a poignant reminder of the passage of time, of the rise and fall of empires. As you stand within these walls, let the weight of centuries wash over you. No trip to London would be complete without a visit to Buckingham Palace, the official residence of the reigning monarch. Stand amongst the crowds and witness the iconic changing of the guard ceremony, a tradition steeped in pageantry and precision. The bright red uniforms and the rhythmic stomp of boots evoke a sense of history and tradition that is quintessentially British. Buckingham Palace stands as a symbol of continuity and tradition, a living embodiment of British history and heritage. As you watch the flag flutter atop the palace, know that you are witnessing a small piece of history in the making. Along the banks of the River Thames, the Houses of Parliament stand as a testament to British democracy. This grand Victorian masterpiece, with its intricate Gothic architecture, is instantly recognisable across the globe, and who can forget Big Ben, the iconic clock tower that has become synonymous with London itself. The Houses of Parliament and Big Ben are not merely buildings, they are symbols of democracy and the enduring power of the people. As you gaze up at their grandeur, remember that these structures represent the voice of the people. Prepare yourself for a truly unique perspective on London as we ascend the London Eye, a giant Ferris wheel that offers unparalleled panoramic views of the city. As you slowly rise above the cityscape, imagine the sprawling metropolis spread out before you like a map. On a clear day, you can see for miles in every direction, taking in iconic landmarks like St. Paul's Cathedral, the Tower Bridge, and even Windsor Castle in the distance. The London Eye offers a moment of quiet contemplation amidst the hustle and bustle of the city below. As you gently rotate, take a moment to appreciate the sheer scale and grandeur of this incredible city. We ascend now to dizzying heights, to the summit of the Shard, Western Europe's tallest building. This gleaming spire of glass and steel seems to pierce the very heavens, offering unparalleled views that stretch for miles in every direction. The River Thames, a silver ribbon winding its way through the heart of the city, and the familiar landmarks of London, now miniaturized by distance, take on a new and enchanting aspect. The Shard is more than just a building, it's a symbol of London's ambition, its reach for the stars, and its unwavering spirit of progress. As you stand at the top of this modern marvel, embrace the breathtaking panorama and let the city's energy wash over you. Even amidst the bustling metropolis, London offers tranquil escapes. Hyde Park, a sprawling emerald oasis in the heart of the city, invites you to escape the urban clamour and reconnect with nature. Imagine strolling through verdant meadows, the sun dappling through the leaves of ancient trees. The gentle lapping of water on the serpentine lake creates a soothing symphony, while families picnic on the grassy banks. Hyde Park is a testament to the power of nature to soothe the soul and bring people together. Take a moment to breathe in the fresh air, find solace beneath the canopy of trees, and allow the tranquility of this urban oasis to wash over you. Prepare to be dazzled by the sheer artistry and craftsmanship housed within the Victoria and Albert Museum, a treasure trove of decorative arts and design from across the globe. Imagine yourself surrounded by centuries of human creativity. Delicate porcelain from China, intricate tapestries from the Middle East, and furniture crafted with such skill and artistry that it transcends mere utility and becomes art itself. The Victoria and Albert Museum is a testament to the enduring power of human creativity and our innate desire to beautify the world around us. Take your time to appreciate the intricate details, the masterful techniques, and the sheer beauty on display. The vibrant energy of London is on full display in Covent Garden, a bustling district where history, culture, and entertainment collide. Imagine strolling through the historic market hall, its wrought iron arches adorned with flowers as street performers captivate passers-by with their music, magic, and acrobatics. Duck into one of the many independent boutiques or art galleries tucked away down cobblestone streets, each one a treasure trove of unique finds. Covent Garden is a feast for the senses, a place where you can soak up the vibrant atmosphere and experience the pulse of London life. Lose yourself in the lively crowds, embrace the unexpected, and discover the hidden gems that await around every corner. Our final destination takes us on an awe-inspiring journey through time to the Natural History Museum, home to an astounding collection of specimens from the natural world. Imagine standing beneath the imposing skeleton of a blue whale, its immense size a humbling reminder of the vastness of the natural world. Come face to face with a towering T-Rex, its bone structure a testament to its former power and ferocity. The Natural History Museum is a celebration of the diversity and wonder of the natural world, a place where science and imagination collide. As you explore its vast halls, let your curiosity be your guide, and allow yourself to be amazed by the wonders of the planet we call home. As our journey through London draws to a close, we are left with a profound sense of awe and wonder. This city, a tapestry woven from history, culture, and the indomitable spirit of its people, has left an indelible mark on our souls. From the grandeur of its palaces to the tranquility of its parks, London offers a unique and unforgettable experience for every traveller. Until next time, London.